Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Emma says, if you are new to this channel, you're most welcome. In today's video, if you are able to identify something, there's something not right with our data. So it needs cleaning, and also this is what they shared to us, and we have a report to present. So basically, if you try to look at it, it seems like we have a lot of work to do. But by help of functions and formulas, we can say something on how to proceed and manage this information. So basically, when you try to look at the full names, the cases are not in case are not in case. The cases are not casing. So you try to look at Johnstone, uppercase, lowercase. We really have a lot. Now just imagine you're dealing with huge volumes of data, and this is what they shared with you, but you have to present. So basically, we shall try to use two functions. And believe me, you'll see some miracles. And we shall also do cleaning and cleaning our data. So we can start. Maybe what I can do, I can insert. I can insert here. I can maybe put here full name. This is the full name. So what I do, I'll use the proper function. I'll use the proper function. This is the proper function. So proper, then you select this, then you close it. So it will give me this fill handle. So when you try to notice, the cases are now proper. But now my challenge is with the spaces. You find that the spacing in between John and Stone is not proper. This may be proper, but now the spaces, we need to clean up this data. So we shall introduce another function, and that is the trim function. It is very good and powerful. So we trim our proper function and press enter. So this is what we have. So our data now looks presentable. Now the challenge will be these are functions. So okay, we can also do the same here. Let me see. Okay, yeah, I can put it here, city. So I can say equal sign, then I introduce the proper function. Then I select this fill handle. But remember, I can't present this data like that. So how do I remove this and remain with this? So what I usually prefer is you just select this, copy. You just copy this. Then you come and select these changes. Then you right click. But in this case, you don't paste this. We shall paste the values. So when we paste the values, even if we delete this, it remains. You see? Now if we did like this, let me demonstrate here. If I copy this and selected, okay, let me copy this. If I copy this and pasted here. But we have this paste. See, it is still the same formula, but it won't work now. It won't, because we pasted. But however much you see here text, these are formulas. So what I usually recommend people, when you copy this and you come to paste, please you paste the values. But in this case, I would only selected John Stone. So let me do like this. So I select this, I copy this, come here, then I paste the values. So even if I delete this, I retain this, then it's still the same case. Because if you try to delete this, these will be errors, because these are basing on this cell. They are picking from this cell. So what we do, you just copy this, then you come and we paste, but we are pasting the values. This one that has 1, 2, 3. Then we can delete this. I think I deleted the wrong one. Yeah, but so copy this, then we paste here. I paste the values. So I come and delete this. Yeah, so you can come and also delete these columns. You can delete this. We delete also these rows. You can leave them for the title. So basically that is it. And if you zoom your report, notice that everything looks better than before. This is better and presentable than before. Otherwise, that was it for this video. We used the trim function. We used the proper function. Now, these are some of the functions people usually don't use, but they are good. Yeah. Otherwise, that's it for now. Have a nice day. Thank you.